Money flowed through so many hands with so little oversight that skimming and mismanagement became almost inevitable. When we tried to find where these phones were stored before distribution, warehouses that should have held thousands of devices were nearly empty. The telecommunications companies involved, primarily Digicel and Natcom, were contracted to provide discounted devices and 6 months of prepaid service. Financial records show that they received $2.1 million as advance payment for these services, but when questioned, company representatives could only account for approximately 22,000 activated lines, less than half the program target. Marie-Claire DuPont, telecommunications policy analyst. The telecom companies certainly received payment, but the service activation records don't match the number of phones supposedly distributed. Either phones were distributed without being activated, or, more likely, many of the phones simply weren't distributed at all. A 2019 audit commissioned by USAID's Inspector General attempted to reconcile the financial records with actual program outcomes. The findings were damning. Of the $3.4 million allocated specifically for phone distribution, only about $1.2 million worth of phones and services actually reached hurricane victims, roughly 35 cents on the dollar. On the ground, the distribution that barely happened.